Let's communicate. Let's get the information you need, and make an informed decision on what you'd like to do. So we're glad you're here. I'll give you a demonstration of our balanced allocation annuity. This is technology we're really proud of. It's a program that we've put together, really over our entire careers. But this is really the latest development, if you will. If you look up here in the upper right-hand corner, if you see that emblem, Aviva, are you familiar with an Aviva insurance company at all?
No, I'm not.
But I'll share with you who they are worldwide. Aviva is the world's oldest continually operated insurance company. They're based in London. That's where their international headquarters are. And they were founded back in 1696. So they're actually older than the United States of America. Now, to give you an idea of their size and the scope of their business, they do business on 5 continents around the world. They have over $750 billion in assets worldwide. And with respect to Europe, they are Europe's #1 provider of retirement plans. Now, they're quickly becoming #1 in the United States. They have all the top ratings, from the various rating services. Here in the U.S., they have their U.S. headquarters is out in West Des Moines, Iowa. So that's where their U.S. operation is based. Currently, they're the #2 provider of all annuities in the United States. And one of the reasons they're becoming so big is for a group I'm going to point out down here on the bottom. Down here, if you see that other emblem that says Nexus Innovation is the difference, really what that is kind of think of that as very much like Intel. Intel inside, or a Nexus Innovation, inside. That is the intelligentsia that has built this entire industry. When you start to look at guarantees of principal plus gain with respect to a market indices as a way to growing your money. The guys at the Nexus Group invented all of the technology on all of the products available in the marketplace today, and did so starting back in 1992. The difference today is they've grown beyond just being actuaries that work for insurance companies. Now it is a private product design and distribution company that builds new products, patents the process in which they build products, and then releases those currently on Aviva paper as their insurance company partner worldwide. What does that mean to you? Well, these are the men and women that invented the whole industry, and they did that back in 1992. They currently hold 8 patents on technology in this marketplace, and all 8 patents are on this product, and none of the 8 patents are available on any other product in the marketplace today. That's important because when we look back to the early 1990s, all the other products that are in this marketplace are really using old technology. Now, it doesn't make it bad or make it wrong, but it certainly makes it somewhat antiquated when you look at the new technology that's available today. So all the new stuff is here, and it's really solving the challenges of this new economy we're in with new solutions going forward on how you can protect your principal and grow your income, and at the same time design a plan that can provide you with a lifetime stream of income that you just cannot outlive. And we'll talk about some death benefits and some different things with this program as well. And I'll do my best to point out these patents on the product as they come up. One of the things I like to do with respect to this product is jump inside and really start to identify some key areas we're gonna talk about. With respect to this annuity, the balanced allocation annuity is a single premium index deferred annuity that has been developed specifically to be an integral part of a sound long-term retirement plan to help you turn your vision of retirement into reality by offering really the following. Well, first, we're going to offer guarantees and security you need for your retirement savings. We don't want you to risk a dime of your principal. Secondly, we're going to offer you the opportunity for long-term accumulation of your principal. In other words, we're going to grow the money. We want it to go up in value for you. Thirdly, we're going to have the flexibility for you to access your retirement funds. It's your money. You've saved it for a long time. We want you to be able to get in there and start, grabbing dollars as you need them. And ultimately, let's put together a guaranteed lifetime income if that's of interest to you as well. Now, the first place we start is with a big #1 up in the upper left-hand corner here, if I can scroll up a little bit. And these are really the key areas. We're going to talk to you a little bit about guarantees, growth, flexibility, wealth transfer, in other words, what happens when you die. And at the same time, let's talk about some income needs that you might have. Now, let me ask you this, and I think I might know the answer, but is the safety and security of your principal, your dollars, the ability where you won't go backwards and lose any money, is that really your number one goal?
It's primary.
It's primary. Okay, good, good. If it were anything else, you know, we would tell you that we're probably not a good fit for you, and this wouldn't be a good product for you. We like to work with guarantees and principal protection as the foundation for any solid retirement plan that we work with. Now, not that we think you should put all your eggs in one basket, not that we think that the marketplace, which has inherent risk, is a bad place to go. It's not. I invest there, but as we get older and we want more and more principal protection, we start to rely on products, you know, much like this. So, you know, at no time would we say, hey, put all your money into one basket. We want you to diversify at a level that you're comfortable with, not your advisors, okay? So we think that's real important. One of the things we're going to do is offer strong guarantees and tax deferral on your account. You can have the confidence in knowing that your retirement savings allocated to this balance allocation annuity are safe and secure at all times. Now, we've talked about it a little bit already, but how do we do that? Well, it's a fixed annuity. First and foremost, we're going to offer you a principal guarantee, which means you're guaranteed not to lose one dime of your principal in this fixed annuity. Now, the worst the account can perform at is zero. You know, any given year, the worst it could do is zero, which we actually coined a phrase we call zero's your hero. For the market conditions where this would, you know, not grow is the same market condition where if you're in the stock market or, you know, still investing in mutual funds or other risk inherent investments, you'd be going down in value. So we think that's the number one thing, is to make sure we don't lose any value on your account. The second thing, and before we start to talk about how we grow the money, this has built in, thanks to the state of Florida, the ability that no matter what, over the life of this contract, the value in your annuity is guaranteed to go up over time. Now, really where the rubber starts to meet the road with respect to this account is we want to start to look into our